Coping with the impact of coronavirus, of course, is hard enough for adults, and it's really proving tough for children.
It sure is. Therapists say the pandemic has created a mental health crisis for children. Jasmine Veal has more now on what parents can do and even how local educators are trying to help.
Okay, right. Hold on.
This is the laugh and smile that would greet Dr. Veronica Brown's students every day at Manchester Avenue Elementary. But now, 9 months into this pandemic, she hasn't been able to hug them or see many of them in person.
I thought about the kids, I thought about, oh my goodness, who are they going to turn to now? Because they turn to us for everything.
Brown, an LAUSD principal, says there is a lot more stress and pain these days.
Sometimes they'll tell us that such and such passed away. And then there's that moment where we say, oh my goodness, let's give him a big hug, everybody.
She's tried to implement virtual programs to help, like what she's nicknamed Tiger Talk Mondays after the school's mascot.
Our teachers are actually talking to our students just about life. Like, what did they do for the weekend? Do they want to share any thoughts?
But Dr. Roseann Capanna-Hodge, a pediatric mental health expert, says the pandemic and online learning is taking a major toll.
Mental health issues are at a crisis level, and they already were at a crisis level.
She says it's even more difficult for students now since many had to return to virtual learning with this most recent surge in cases.
We are seeing kids that have an exacerbation of pre-existing conditions like anxiety, ADHD, depression, OCD, but we're also seeing kids struggle with mental health for the first time in their life.
She says parents, too, are suffering. A recent survey by the American Psychological Association found 70% said family responsibilities were a significant source of stress, and 63% said their child's schooling was extremely stressful this year. Here are a few things parents can do to help their kids. Practice self-care throughout the day, like taking a walk. Stay connected. Focus on the positive and create separate work and play stations for your kids. Dr. Brown says she'll keep smiling and encouraging her students to do the same.
But I know we're going to all make it through.
The LAUSD provides counselors and psychologists daily for students. We have posted the school's hotline number on our website, cbsla.com. I'm Jasmine Veal, KCAL 9 News.